In today's Dose of Wellness, we're revealing how to solve a cooking crisis. Dr. Ish, you do some cooking?
I love to cook. My mom was a great cook. All 5 of my sisters do, so it always takes me back to those moments at home.
With a great cook as a mom and 5 sisters,
Oh, yeah.
You spent some time in the kitchen.
A lot of time in the kitchen.
Well, and this time of year, fall, we're approaching winter, doing more cooking inside. It's fun. Good family time, good bonding time. Good for the head.
Great for the head, absolutely.
All right, well, we've got some great cooking hacks. Here's some flavor fixes for that bad taste in your mouth. So what do you do if you've over-salted your soup? And I've been there, done that.
And it's ruined.
It's ruined.
Yes.
Too salty, it doesn't taste good, and it's not good for you either.
No.
It'll jack up that blood pressure. You don't want that. So what do? You throw a raw peeled potato in the pot. What happens? Well, the potatoes are rich in starch, a substance that absorbs that excess salt. You can also try adding some acidity to the mix, like lemon juice. That'll also help help the over-salted soup. I like that one.
Potato in the pot is smart.
All right, what do you have, Doc?
Well, next up, you can try some ice to get rid of that nasty fat that rises to the surface when cooking certain foods. Saturated fat adheres to freezing temperatures, and ice can act like a magnet to skim the fat off the sauces and the soups.
Yep. I mean, so if you over-salt it and you have too much fat in your soup, if you got 2 hacks here, they're going to make that the perfect fall winter soup. I like those soups. All right, up next, a hack to fix burnt sauce. What do? You take a quarter of a cantaloupe, you peel it, you cut it into chunks, and you add it to your sauce. What happens? The cantaloupe acts like a big sponge that soaks up the burnt, bitter taste and adds a little sweetness also. But remember to remove the cantaloupe before serving, because your guests are going to go, what the heck?
That's a cool tip. I never heard that one. Yeah.
You going to do some cooking this weekend?
I think I might.